look at the poison dart frog, also known as a Dendrobatidae in Latin, its natural habitat, hopping around the Costa Rican rainforest. The poison dart frog got its name because it secretes toxic substances from its skin, and native tribes used to get the toxic substances from its skin and rub it on the arrowheads to use lethal, deadly, toxic arrows. The poison dart frog lives alone and gets with other frogs during mating season. During mating season, the male frogs makes a trill sound to attract. Once the frogs have mated, the female lays her eggs and male carries the eggs on his back to a hole filled with water, such as a hole in a tree branch or a cut-like leaf. And then from there, the tadpoles grow.
Oh, hello! Today we will be exploring the immense, enormous, powerful, and graceful creature known as a walrus. Why look! A walrus in its natural habitat of the Arctic!
I'm a walrus.
They can grow up to an astounding 3.6 meters in length and up to 1,700 kilograms in mass. The calves can take anywhere from 15 to 16 months to develop inside the womb, meaning that sometimes a female cannot reproduce during mating season because she is still carrying a calf. Oh, and by the way, they carry their young alive. On land, they move very slow because of their enormous size, but in water they are elegant creatures, going up to 35 kilometers an hour, but usually around 7 kilometers an hour. They dive to the ocean floor and use their vibrissae to feel for mollusks as they search the ocean floor. Walruses live together in herds, however, the females and males separate themselves. Male dominance is still a major part of walruses, and many males fight for alpha maleship. Walruses often use their tusks for these fights for dominance. Tusks are elongated canines used for defense or offensive purposes. They are not used often against their main predators, orcas and polar bears, meaning that they only prey on injured walruses and calves. Walruses are not in endangerment, and they have very few predators. That being said, in 1931, Canada banned commercial hunting of walruses, followed by the US. These magnificent creatures can live up to 40 years, and can be trained to be in public shows or displays. These mustached specimens truly are an extraordinary species.